Hi everyone, Marcus Lim here with a very exciting addition to the Social Lead Freak suite of tools. Now the tools I'll be presenting in this video are all free to current and future Social Lead Freak customers, so you are in for a real treat. Now to put everything in context, here's a diagram of what some of you would have heard or seen recently. There's been a bit of a buzz around this idea of having 3 steps or layers, as some of the people might call it, of custom audiences. And to make it real easy for those of you who don't know what these steps are, this diagram will hopefully help you to quickly grasp the main ideas. Now the idea is actually quite simple. Step 1 is your classic user ID extraction step. Then you send these people that you extracted from step 1 to a landing page with Facebook Connect in step 2. Now Facebook Connect is simply a Facebook app that captures data about the person opting in. So information like name, email, gender, page likes, groups, and so on. And so armed with this information, you then proceed to step 3, where you summarize the data collected from step 2 into demographic data that lets you gain insight into what these people like, what age range they are in, the percentage of males versus females, and so on. So with this information, you can then proceed to create Facebook ads that are even more targeted than if you had only done step 1. So with all this context in mind, let's see where Social Lead Freak fits into the picture. Well, you guessed it, it's step 1, user ID extraction. It doesn't do step 2 or 3, it is purely user ID extraction. And I have to say it's the best at what it does. Hey, I'm biased since I developed it. Now at this point, let me just say that tons of people have had great success simply using these UIDs as is from step 1, building custom audiences in Facebook and then targeting them with Facebook ads. Now there really is no need to go to step 2 and 3 to achieve success. And I say this because some people might try to persuade you that you have to go to layer 2 and 3 before you can really start targeting your audience. Well, not really. While layer 2 and 3 are nice to have, they are not like essential. See, if doing steps 2 and 3 means that you will be delayed from taking action because of the additional steps involved, then by all means don't. Simply do step 1 with Social Lead Freak, get results, then keep tweaking them. But with that said, if you do want to take the time to do steps 2 and 3, well, today we've got a real treat for you. We are now giving you the power to do so, to do steps 2 and 3. So let's take step 2. For all of you Social Lead Freak customers, you get the AliG Facebook Connect WordPress plugin for free. Now let me walk you through the plugin very quickly. So here I am on my WordPress dashboard, and I've already got the Facebook Connect plugin installed, and you do need to register. Just activate it using your Social Lead Freak username and password, and I've already done that, activated. So let's click on the collected leads, and you can choose which buttons that the lead was captured from. So at the moment there's no leads yet. Let's have a look at the buttons. Now I've set up one button, it's called a test button, and I've already set up the redirect URL, the image of the button, and if you like, you can also specify the web form code of your autoresponder if you want to automatically capture the name and email into your autoresponder like Aweber or iContact or MailChimp. You can do that here, but I won't be doing that in this video. I'll just be showing you how it captures the leads right into the WordPress installation database. So I've already set up over here on this page, as you can see, the Facebook Connect button, sign in with Facebook. Now I can easily go and change the style button. If I say sign in with Facebook, the big blue one, big blue one, and I save the changes. Okay, and then I head back here and I refresh it. You can see that the button style has changed into this big blue button. Okay, now let me click on the button, and that immediately takes me to this Facebook app. It says the app wishes to receive the following information: public profile, friends list, email address, birthday, groups, description, likes, friends' birthdays. So I just click OK, and then it will redirect me to the thank you page, which I've specified in the settings before, which is this one over here. So let's go and see if the lead was captured successfully. So let me choose my test button, and here you go. That was me, Tim Yang, and email, location. This is the Facebook user ID, the button that the lead was captured from. And so here you've got the lead successfully captured by the AliG Facebook Connect plugin. So let me head back to my presentation at this point. So that's step 2. The really exciting bit is actually step 3, because step 3 is where you take all of the information from all of your leads from step 2 and you summarize them in a pie chart form. So to do this, we are also giving you Social Lead Freak customers a brand new Demographic Freak 2. So let me quickly demonstrate this. So here it is, and you just need to enter your Social Lead Freak username and password in order to log in. And the first time you log in, you can see that there's really nothing too exciting. It's all blank. So you need to give it some data, right? So let me head back to to my dashboard again, and over at the top you can see this button, export to CSV and export to JSON. Now in this example, I need to choose export to JSON. Don't worry about what JSON means. It's just a kind of format that my Adobe Air app uses. So okay, save it to my desktop, and then I'll head on back to my Demographic Freak 2, and I'll also come to my desktop. So here is the file, exported leads.json, that we downloaded, and pay attention to what happens when I drag it over my Demographic Freak 2 and I release, and there you go. The pie charts pop into existence. And in this example, you've got top 10 common likes, top 10 common groups, the age range, gender. Now this doesn't tell you too much because this is only one subscriber. So as you can see, there's only one person, and he's between 25 and 34 years old. He's a male. He only likes he's only in one group, the Millionaires Club, and these are all his his 10 likes. So you can't really say much from this. We really need more data in order to get more meaningful demographic information about our potential audience, and I would say at least a few hundred to get meaningful stats. But just to demonstrate to you what happens when I add one more subscriber, let me come to this page again and let me refresh this. Okay. So I'm going to sign in as another Facebook user. Okay, and again it says you receive the following information. Click OK, and then it redirects me to the thank you page. So let's check that the lead was added, and there you go, that's the new one. So now let me export the JSON file again. Okay, I'll just replace my existing file. Let me come back to my Demographic Freak 2 and let me drag and drop, and as you can see, immediately you can see the change. So there's now 2 people who liked Ali G Marketing. So both subscribers liked Ali G Marketing. Both subscribers are in the age range of 25-34, and both of them are male. Now in this case, the second subscriber doesn't belong to any group. That's why there's still only one over here. And so you can see that this is working perfectly fine. And obviously you still need to have a decent number of subscribers in order to get decent demographic information that will give you an insight into what the top 10 common likes are amongst your subscribers, and also the age range, the gender groups, information that you can then use to target your Facebook ads to. Okay, so that's pretty much a very quick overview of this 3-step hyper audience targeting system. And under this system, you can see that Social Lead Freak is just step 1. We now give you the ability to do step 2 and also step 3. Now one more thing that I have to mention is that all of these data that you collect via Facebook Connect, right? Remember when I showed you these leads and also the export to CSV and export to JSON, all of this data is kept on your WordPress database. So we don't actually keep any of this data anywhere outside of your WordPress install, right? So as it should be, since you collected the leads, you should keep all the data. So that's just one good thing for you to know. And so there you have it, the 3-step hyper audience targeting system. I really hope that you put these new tools to good use. So thanks for watching this video and have a great day.